Hello friends, and it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Godzilla from the 1954 original movie, Godzilla, King of the Monsters. And he comes with the oxygen destroyer, the thing that's supposed to kill him, but it doesn't. And he also comes with some atomic breath, and it's made by Super 7, part of the Reaction Figures. On the back here it says, Godzilla rampages through Japan, leaving a trail of destruction. The future of the country's citizens is left in the hands of Dr. Suzawa, who creates a devastating new weapon of unspeakable power, the Oxygen Destroyer. This device splits and liquefies cells of anything it gets in contact with. Knowing it's the only option for stopping Godzilla, Dr. Suzawa detonates his Oxygen Destroyer in the ocean, reducing Godzilla to nothing. And now let's open Godzilla. He has this ocean background, which looks pretty cool. So he doesn't come with atomic breath, but the ocean background made it look like he came with atomic breath. But atomic breath with a Godzilla would be pretty cool. Here's the Oxygen Destroyer. And here's Godzilla, King of all monsters. And compared to the giant version of him, he's the baby Godzilla. And then he can hold it. He can use it against big Godzilla to become the only monster, the only Godzilla. Here, the little one has less detail than the big one, but also the big one is bigger and has more articulation, only in the tail and the feet. Now, I rate baby Godzilla a 10 out of 10, 10 thumbs ups, and big Godzilla 10 out of 10, 10 thumbs ups. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at the Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at the $sign Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.